Morning, this is Andrew from TrendFollowing Mentor. In this video, today is the 6th of November 2015. I'm going to talk about gaps and how to trade gaps and how to pyramid them. And actually, this is an example. Trading Facebook, I'm actually in this. And let's go back before we look at what happened yesterday. Let's look back what happened prior. And you can see almost a similar scenario, even though each time, you know what, things are as they seem, but they're never the same. And past performance is not indicative of future performance. But what is the rule? On earning announcements, you can have a gap up, like you had here. What I do is I draw two lines, 1, 2. If I take out the high, I'm a buyer. I put in a stop 7% below, and let's see what happens. I have a goal that I'm trying to hit, a profit target, and I'm trying to trend follow. This is what it's all about. I also put a line below. In this case, it never went below it. But the idea is if it goes below and then turns back up, I'm a buyer, again with a 7% stop. You can see this example, line to line, but it never took out the high or took out the low back in. But in this case, it did, and it barely worked. But here we are from yesterday. We gapped up. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm putting in a buy stop at the highs of this bar at 110.75, and I'm going to add to my prior position. And basically, Facebook, I look at it from a fundamental. They're earning all kinds of money. Why? Something new. They have Instagram, they have WhatsApp or WhatsApp, whatever it's called. And it took out a base. Here's it right here. I also drew a trend line here. Here I didn't take the trade. I was a little bit cautious because we were still below the 200-day moving average. But here we took it out. I'm long. I scaled in with a buy 1, a buy 2, and a buy 3. I scale into my buys. I buy 50% at buy 1. 30% at buy 2 and 20% at buy 3. And then I look to add to the position. If it does certain things, add-on buys. When it gaps up, I'm at an all-time high here now. I'm going to add 10% to my position and see what happens. This is what trend following is. When the trades work, and they don't work all the time, a lot of them don't work. And it's very easy to get frustrated. I have numerous students, clients that get frustrated. They're not supposed to work. This is supposed to be tough. But the thing is, once things do work and you learn how to use add-on buys correctly or pyramiding correctly, you open yourself up to stumble into some very huge profits when you trade with rules. So, this is my website, TrendFollowing Mentor. I have a blog, teach you all the time. I have a book, The Bible of Trend Following, The Bible of Compounding Money. I do one-on-one personally mentoring, and I believe it's really worth it. And I had a conversation with actually 2 clients yesterday, and he said, we should talk more often because it's worth it. I learn every time something. I also have a course, $99. If you want to do the hourly consulting, I'll give you the course. Whatever I can do to help you, just let me know. Here's my email. Thank you very much.